Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Thank you guys all so much for joining me today. For today's video, I have these Madam Glam gel polishes. I'm super excited to open these up. I've had these sitting around for quite a while now. So here's how the packaging looks. It's just a beautiful black matte color, and then we get that gold little print font there with their logo. Here's how the box looks. It says hello glamorous, and let's go ahead and open this up. Again, you guys are also able to use the discount code on screen to save some extra money at Madam Glam, so make sure you guys use that. And so here we have the gel polishes. We get 4 gorgeous colors. I love their packaging as always. It's super pretty. I love this beautiful mint blue color, super gorgeous. This is the color Primavera, which means spring in Spanish. And we got the color here, it's Sweetness. I feel like my lighting is a little bit off, so let me just fix that. Next here we have the color Blueberry Cream. Super pretty colors. I think this is called their Macaroon series, if I'm not mistaken. If I am, then I apologize. But here's how it looks. It's a beautiful light blue color. Then here we have the color Raindrop. It's another gorgeous sort of violet tone, lilac. And so here's how all they look. These 3 colors seem very similar. It's kind of hard to see the difference on camera. I feel like they all look the same on camera. These 2 look super alike, but this one's like a purple, this one's like a blue, and this one's also like a purple color. I also do want to mention that their gel polishes are also vegan, cruelty free, and they also have a 21 free formula, and they're HEMA free as well. Highly recommend these, and they're super pigmented, which I've mentioned before. This is my second time trying them out. Just look how beautiful this color looks. Super gorgeous, super pigmented, and overall they just apply super smoothly as well. So I went ahead and swatched the colors onto these nail tips, and here you're actually able to tell the difference between each color. They don't look as similar as I thought they did. But overall, let me know which color is your favorite. Mine was definitely Primavera. The colors are super gorgeous, and overall I really loved it. Let's go ahead and get started on today's set. For today's set, I'm going to be working with these nail tips here. They are coffin. These are, I would say, long, but considering how they look compared to the rest of the nails, I would say these are probably like short. So I'm going to first start off with the color Primavera, and I'm going to go in with my first coat. Just do one braid, then layer, then cure this for 30 seconds in my lamp. Here's how they look after the first coat has been cured. Now I'm going to go in with my second one, and here's how it looks after. Super gorgeous. Look how beautiful this color looks. So we're going to go ahead and get started onto the nail art, and we're going to go in with the color Raindrop. I'm applying a little bit of that color onto my palette here. Then we're going to go ahead and create a diagonal swirl. On one end here, right at the left corner, we're going to be creating our highest part of the swirl. Then towards the right corner is where it kind of gets a little bit more lower. Once I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and just fill that in continuously. So this nail design is more like a transition sort of design, if that makes sense. The swirls get a little bit lower towards the end of the nails. For example, towards the pinky is going to be the lowest part of the swirl, and then the index would be the highest part of the swirl. So I do want to mention that this design was actually created by my brother. I had a very challenging time actually picking out a design for this set, just because I have very similar colors to work with, and also I had a very limited colors to work with. But overall, I really loved how this set turned out. I think the design looks super cute. It's very simple, but overall, I really loved how it turned out. So here I went ahead and went back towards the index nail again, just because I felt like it was a little bit too low already. So instead, I went ahead and just made it a little bit higher, that swirl, filled it in, and that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching the process so far. I will be back shortly to explain the rest. But yeah, again, don't forget to like this video. It means a lot to me, and I truly appreciate it, and it also helps let me know that you guys are liking my designs. So very quickly, I do want to go ahead and show you guys my natural nails. I've been studying the Russian manicure technique for about 5 months now, and I really love the way my natural nails look when I perform that sort of technique. I think when doing a nail enhancement over that sort of technique, it just gives a much more cleaner look, and I overall really love how it looks. So yesterday, I decided to practice it on my non-dominant hand. I haven't done any sort of manicure, any prep or anything like that for about a while now, and I just really loved how it turned out, and here's how it looks. Really love that, and I definitely think I'm going to be doing a nail enhancement on my non-dominant hand, probably gel X soon, just because I really loved how that turned out. And for my first time doing it on my dominant hand, I think it definitely came out really good. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and share that with you guys because I just really love that technique. I'm going to go in with the color Food Coma. It's a very gorgeous light brown tone here, and I'm just going to go in and apply some of this color onto my palette here. Next, we're going to be going in with the color I'm Fine. It's this gorgeous dark brown color, and we're just going to go ahead and apply some of this color onto my palette, then applying a little bit dash of black to just darken up the color to make a little bit more of a darker brown. We're just going to go ahead and mix that up using my pink dotting tool. I'm adding a little bit more black, and then I realized, whoa, it's a little bit too dark, and so I'm going back and applying a little bit more of the color I'm Fine again just to lighten that up a bit. And once we have our color, we are good to go. So here's how the nails look after. They look really gorgeous. Here you guys are able to see more of that beautiful transition swirl just going downwards towards the pinky. Absolutely stunning. I really love this design so far. Next, we're going to go in with the color Food Coma, and I'm going in with my blue dotting tool, and we're just going to go ahead and create little tiny cookies here and there. We're only creating one cookie on each nail. I also do want to mention I'm not creating a perfectly rounded cookies. I personally do not like when cookies are like a perfectly rounded circle. I don't know why, but that is one thing I honestly don't like. So even when baking them, I don't like my cookies to be, you know, like perfectly rounded out. But yeah, I'm going ahead and just kind of creating them the way I would like my cookies to be. But once you have a little cookie on each and every single nail, then go ahead and then cure this for 30 seconds. So I'm going to go in with this pink dotting tool. It's probably the most smallest dotting tool that I currently own. And we're going to be using this dotting tool in the color Food Coma and the little hints of black we added to make our little chocolate chip color. We're just going to go ahead and create little tiny dots here and there to imitate the little chocolate chips on the little cookies. Once we have that done, then I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds. Now next, onto our little base color, we're going to go in and apply little tiny dots here and there, some small dots, some medium dots, and some larger dots to kind of just imitate little chocolate chips there, here and there. And then we're going to go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds. Once these have been cured, I'm going to apply one very thin layer of my top coat and cure the top coat for 60 seconds. So after curing that, here's how all of the nails look. They look really good. Super simple, but the design is overall super cute. I think if I would have had more colors, doing little macaroons kind of flying down and little like sort of sprinkles would have looked good as well. But like I had to work with what I had, and overall I'm not mad at it. I think the result is obviously super cute. Let me know what you guys think about this set. Again, don't forget to use my discount code on screen on the Madam Glam website. I really love Madam Glam gel polishes. They're super pigmented, really great formula, and they're also very self-leveling. And the best thing about them is that they're vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, and HEMA-free. Again, that was it for today's video. Thank you guys all so much for joining me today. Again, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like this video and comment down below what your favorite part of this video was. See you guys in my next video. Goodbye, and I appreciate you guys so much, and have a wonderful day.